Next is Bel Air Villas located in Barangay Balintawak, Lipa City. Developed by Convergence Realty. Ang entrance gate nito ay merong close access to the bypass road. This is a 13-hectare community that offers a relaxing mix of town and country living. Magandang option ito for larger families or those who want more space kasi ang lalaki ng mga bahay dito. Meron sila ditong tatlong bahay na pwede mong pagpilian. Si Ariana, a 11 million, 2-story single detached na may lot area and floor area na 165 square meter. Kasya yung dalawang sasakyan, may 5 bedroom and 3 toilet and bath. Second, si Audrey, a 9 million single detached with 165 square meter lot area and 138 square meter floor area. Kasya din ang dalawang sasakyan, meron siyang 4 na bedrooms and 3 din yung toilet and bath. Third is Belle, a 6.3 million duplex with 88 square meter lot area and 74 square meter floor area. Kasya pa rin ang dalawang sasakyan, may 3 bedroom, 1 toilet and bath, and a powder room. Kung gusto mo naman na ikaw yung magpatayo ng sarili mong bahay, sarili mong design yung masusunod, pwedeng lot only lang yung bilhin mo. Lot size starts at 165 square meter with price of 5.4 million. Ang amenities dito ay playground, pocket garden, clubhouse, and event hall.